everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. U.S. Treasury clarifies publishing tornado cash code does not violate sanctions. Residents would not be violating sanctions by visiting Tornado Cash website, copying to Mixer's open source code, nor making the code available online or in print. The United States Department of the Treasury said interacting with cryptocurrency Mixer Tornado Cash open source code with certain provisions would not be in violation of sanctions imposed by the Office of Foreign Assets Control or OFAC. In the guidance post to its frequently asked questions pages on Tuesday, the Treasury Department clarified some concerns previously voiced by many U.S.-based crypto users regarding the controversial Mixer Tornado Cash. According to the government department, U.S. residents would not be violating sanctions by copying the Mixer code, nor making it available online or publishing it through another medium. U.S. persons would not be prohibited by U.S. sanctions regulations the from visiting the Internet Archives for the Coronado Cash historical website, nor would they be prohibited from visiting the Coronado Cash website if it again becomes active on the Internet, said the Treasury Department. The Treasury specified that users could generally interact with the Coronado Cash code provided it didn't involve a prohibited transaction. Thus, who initiated transactions using the mixer prior to sanctions being imposed on August 8 can apply for an OFAC license to complete the transaction or to make a withdrawal. OFAC would have a favorable licensing policy towards such application provided that the transaction did not involve other sanctionable conduct. The seeming uncertainty around the U.S. sanctions and how companies were expected to be in compliance came amid many platforms removing or restricting the activity of individuals associated with Tornado Cash. One of the Mixer CEO founders, Roman Simerov, reported on August 8 that his account at developer platform GitHub had been suspended. He suggested at the time that his interaction with Tornado Cash code might have been part of the reason questioning is writing and open source code illegal now. Others have attempted to use the U.S. legal system to push back against the Treasury Department's actions. On September 8, Coinbase announced it would be supporting a lawsuit brought by Tornado Cash users against the Treasury Department, alleging it illegally sanctioned the crypto mixer smart contract addresses. Crypto developers should work with the SEC to find common ground. Developers, investors, and regulators can establish best practices and raise the equality of cryptocurrency development by working together. Regulators are tasked with balancing between protection consumers and creating environments where entrepreneurs and the private sector can thrive. When markets face these distortions, perhaps due to an externality or information asymmetry, regulation can play an important role. But regulation can also stifle entrepreneurship and business formation, leaving society and its people worse off. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has been particularly hostile against cryptocurrency companies and entrepreneurs. For example, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has remarked that he views Bitcoin BTC as a commodity, but that many other crypto financial assets have the key attributes of security. He reiterated the line in an explosive August 19 op-ed penned for the Wall Street Journal, arguing that you could replace crypto with any other asset when talking about the regulation of securities, but rather than regulation by op-ed, as some crypto enthusiasts have framed it, A better strategy would be for developers, investors, and regulatory agencies like the SEC to work together at least around common standard that can raise the quality of project overall and establish best practices that the entire community of Web3 participants will benefit from. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.